This is page 32. We are going to talk about point slope formula. So we have done lines 1,000 different ways, and this is like our final way to do it. So the point slope formula is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. When you do the point slope formula, you will change the y1, the m, and the x1. Everything else stays the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and write y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Okay, right now, all I have is this information. I cannot draw, well, I guess I could. Technically, I could draw a graph from this information if I had graph paper, but we're pretending like we don't have graph paper, and I want to know the slope-intercept form for this line. So I'm going to label x1, y1. Slope is always our m. So I'm going to write my formula, but instead of the y1, I'm going to fill in with a 1, because that's what y1 is. Instead of the m, I'm going to fill it in with a 2. And instead of the x1, I'm going to fill it in with a 4. Okay, now I just have to solve this. Y minus 1 equals 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. The only thing left to do is to add 1. I get y equals 2x minus 7. All right. And now it's in slope-intercept form. I can graph it or do whatever with it. We're going to label these x1, y1. This is my m. I'm going to write that point slope formula. Y minus y1 is 4 equals m is 1/2. X minus x1 is a 2. Y minus 4 equals, distribute, 1/2 times negative 2 is a minus 1. Going to get that 4 added to get it to move to the other side. The y's alone. Y equals 1/2 x plus 3. All right, we're going to do one more example. X1, y1, m. Y minus 0 equals m 2/3 x minus negative 6. Okay, when I have a minus negative, I know that together makes a positive, so I'm just going to make it into a plus. Y minus 0 is just a y. 2/3x, 2/3 times x is 2/3x. 2/3 times 6 is 4. All right. I need you to do number 5, on your own on this page. When you are done, let's flip over to page 35. All right, page 35 is the same thing. We're just adding an extra layer. First, we have to have our slope formula. Y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. And then we do our point slope formula. Y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. All right, so I have x1, y1, x2, y2. So first, I'm going to find the slope of those 2 points. -1 minus 7 over 1 minus -3. When I type that in my calculator, I get a -2. Now I have an m. So now I have the information I need to put it into my point slope formula. Y minus y1 is a 7 equals m is -2 x minus negative 3. Couldn't make that a positive. Y minus 7 equals negative 2x minus 6. I'm going to add 7. I end up with y equals negative 2x plus 1. And now I can graph that from that information. We're going to do one more practice together. x1, y1, x2, y2, negative 6 minus negative 1 over 4 minus 2. That'd be a negative 5 over 2. Now let's plug it all in with my m and my x1, y1. Y minus negative 1 equals 5 over 2, x minus 2. Y plus 1 equals negative 5 over 2x plus 5. I'm going to subtract 1. Final answer, y equals negative 5 over 2x plus 4. I need you to do 2, 4, 6 on your own. Thank you.